discussing graphs that illustrate global CO2 emission from 1850 to 2014. This analysis will help us understand the historical context of emission and the implication for future climate action. Between 1850 and 2014, cumulative global CO2 emission from human activities, fossil fuel, land use change surged starting very low in 1850, around 204 mtCO2, and growing exponentially, reaching over 35 billion tons annually by the 2000, with the bulk of emission occurring in the latter half of this period, particularly the last few decades, rapidly depleting the Earth's carbon budgets. The United States and the European Union have historically been significant contributors to CO2 emission among developed economies. Other developed and developing countries such as Russia, China, and India have increased their emission.
Background and rationale. Context. The graph provides a historical perspective on CO2 emission, which are the primary driver of global warming. Significant understanding this trend is essential for assessing the impact of industrialization and development on global emission. Data source. The data is compiled for reputable source providing a comprehensive view of global emission over time.
Initial trends. Initially, developed economies including the United States and the European Union were the primary contribution to global CO2 emission. This dominance reflects their early industrialization and reliance on fossil fuels. Shifting pattern. Over time, the contribution from other countries such as China, India, and Russia has increased dramatically. This shift indicates the impact of rapid industrialization and economic development in these regions. Upward. The rest of the world category also contributes significantly, highlighting the widespread nature of emission. Overall trend. The overall trend shows a steep increase in global CO2 emission, especially in the later half of the 20th century. Implications. Global governance. The graph highlights a critical transition in global emission patterns. While developed economies have historically been the largest emitters, the rapid growth in emission from other countries present new challenges for global climate governance. And the next one is international cooperation. The trend underscores the need for international cooperation and shared responsibility in reducing emission. And the next one is historical responsibility. It raises questions about historical responsibility and the equitable distribution of efforts to mitigate climate change. Environmental impact. Rising CO2 level have significant environmental implications, including global warming, sea level rise, and extreme weather events. The CO2 emission graph serves as a reminder of the long-term impact of industrialization and development of the global climate.